In this video, we're going to be talking about Face. So About Face is a mineral BB cream, and I really like this product because BB creams can also be used as makeup base, so you don't have to use foundation and you don't want it to look super cakey. So Mom, what are some of the medical benefits of About Face?
So BB creams in general are loved by people, but most people don't know why they're even using them. But this particular BB cream does feature completely mineral sun protection. So minerals, zinc and titanium in this case, are very good for the skin because they don't clog the pores. They're natural. They literally come from minerals in the earth. They don't cause allergic reactions on really anyone that is using them. It's always my sunscreen of choice for people with super allergic skin. But this BB cream, About Face, is going to do all those things. It's going to be your coverage. And the coverage isn't dyes, it's the color of the minerals, the zinc and the titanium, which I think is really cool. So it's very natural skin color. The mineral pigment in this product, which is from the minerals that are also sun protective, are going to look fairly translucent and appropriate on almost any skin type. So you don't have to pick a shade. It's going to basically work for your skin, whatever the shade is, but it's never going to look cakey. It's never going to look like too much makeup. We're not going to see that horrible makeup line. It's going to really look like you don't have on any makeup. You just have perfect, flawless skin, right? That's what we all want. This product also features some hyaluronic acid, which is going to help keep our skin hydrated and looking dewy, but not shiny. And About Face will certainly be one of the favorite products in our entire acne line.